probably not gonna like it.
Uh-oh. We're at Richfield, Ohio now. We're coming here. This is the second day in a row we're getting our load in Richfield, Ohio. It's about an hour out of our yard in Norwalk. Thank God I filled up the dang gas. The fuel at the Hartford, because now we don't have to
There's a team truck right
stop anywhere. We can make it all the way back. Does it look like a team truck, Mama?
right there.
You can see it?
No, we just passed.
Oh.
We're going east also.
So Mama's going,
Yeah, this is
we'll be
this.
headed back to Hartford after this. We had some crazy whiteout
It's gonna go straight here.
snow.
There's lots of
Today
cars.
we were making decent time, and then we stopped for about probably less than an hour.
Yeah, less than an hour.
It was like 30 minutes, and we gave them time to clean up the road because you couldn't even tell where the road was at.
But I've been driving slow.
And we had empty trailers, so
Everybody were flying. Oh my gosh, there's
and they were
a
flying,
one
man.
star and Shuffer, I think was the other one. Oh my
Yeah,
god, they just missed the bridge. Oh my god.
yeah, just people were driving crazy. That's one thing when it's bad out and you're really careful and
There's always
you can
other
maneuver through it and just be careful, but when everybody around you's acting crazy, it's better to get off the road and just wait a little
one
bit.
was always hanging. Oh my god.
Huh?
I said the last star was the red truck. It's almost like
Yeah, there
hanging.
was some trucks that were just
Two of
right
them.
on top of cars, just flying, and you couldn't even see the road.
Oh, that was my yellow one.
So now we're about to meet a driver over here. Mama's been trying to keep.
This hotel. I've been thinking about chicken.
Uh-oh.
After I ate the leftover chicken.
Mama's thinking about food. She's thinking about eating. Oh,
Like
no.
China walk.
You feel like the Chinese today, Mama?
Yes, but then the Chinese still like an hour, so I don't know.
It's more than an hour. It's like an hour and a half. Oh no, what's Mama gonna do? She don't have a loaf of bread to eat?
No, I don't.
No?
Give me any bread yet.
We haven't, Mama hasn't put any videos out. She hasn't did any live. We've been sick as a dog.
Is it live on it?
Huh?
Is it live?
No.
Okay. My thing is acting up, my editor.
Yeah, her phone has been acting crazy. She
Yeah,
hasn't
because
been
it's
able
too
to.
full. I need to purge. my
Yeah.
video. Oh, Subway's good. Subway. I love Subway. I can eat Subway every day. Oh, it's not here yet. Oh, yeah, it's here. Poor thing. Doubles
He's
again.
here. He's here already. We get heavenly doubles. Great.
Wonderful. Oh, they actually put a yellow pole. Please. Wonderful. Up.
Jesus, you're gonna bust them glasses.
Wonder how long you wait. I would have waited too long.
We come down here. They want us to meet at the truck stop down the street, but it fits like 8 trucks, and it's
one is better.
usually always busy. That place must always have cheap fuel because its trucks are outside on the street waiting to get in there. And you know where your paperwork is, Mama? Alright. So we come down here to this hotel. They got a little little lot here we can switch at.
Stop barking up.
You have the...
Let me don't tape my dirt.
Okay, Mama don't want her dirt being taped.
Yes. Or it. I'm sure it's really cold outside. I need it.
Uh-oh, here he comes. It's the same guy.
Yes.
Tell him you have a trailer full of racks again, Mama. Yesterday he thought he...
I'm just kidding.
Looks like you're sliding in the snow.
Oh my god, it's crazy. No.
Alright. Let me get my shoes on and go out here and see if I can help Mama out a little bit. See you guys in a little bit.